Today, hundreds of flood survivors will find out when they will have to find a more permanent housing solution. The county's emergency temporary lodging program will begin phasing people out of the program as early as next Tuesday. The county has separated flood survivors, a part of the program, into 3 categories. Those in Category 1 have 7 more days in the program. Category 2 has 2 weeks, and Category 3 can receive aid until the program ends on May 11th. The county is now pushing survivors to apply for aid from FEMA. You can find information about assistance and how to apply under the Resource Center on 10news.com.
More money is now available for flood survivors to cover their mortgages or rent for at least 1 more month. Realtors gathered alongside Chairwoman Nora Vargas to announce the more than $1 million worth of funding to help the community. The realtors say they know this isn't nearly enough, but think it will help at least 350 to 500 flood survivors. Some of the flood survivors that could potentially benefit were in the crowd listening in.
All we asked was help finding us a place to live.
But we're not on the same team because nothing is happening. To allow to sit there and celebrate and say $3 million, I'm here.
They voiced their pent-up frustrations right after the announcement to Chairwoman Vargas, accusing her of not spending time in flooded communities. The flood victims say it's not about the money and that she isn't fighting for flood-impacted communities enough. Chairwoman Vargas told our team she's been in the community and understands their feelings. She also said she will connect with the survivors who confronted her and get them answers. Meanwhile, we asked one of the flood victims if the assistance will help.
But it's not about the money, we need places to live in, because like we've been saying, half of the people at the Ramada, we got funds from FEMA for rental assistance, but unfortunately right now, people are asking 3 times the amount of rent, your credit score, or I'm on Section 8, I'm having trouble too, because of either they don't accept Section 8 or they haven't heard about Section 8.
For flood survivors interested in applying for the grant money, you can get up to $2,900 if you were displaced and need a new home. This money is coming from the National Association of Realtors Relief Foundation. You can find a link to apply for the grant on our website, 10news.com. In Southcrest, Sierra Encinas, ABC 10 News.